What's happening, Mr. B? You didn't even touch your morning coffee.
Well, I don't think it would be wise to drink it. I'm already a bit nervous and agitated.
Can I ask why?
You know my schedule for today, right?
You have an interview with Mr. Torger Christian Wolff.
Exactly.
This is the reason you're nervous?
Mr. Wolff took over the lead at Mercedes-Benz Motorsports in 2013. And since then, both him and his team remained unbeaten in 7 consecutive Formula One championships. This is unprecedented in the F1 history. He is a legitimate superstar.
I am sure his success can be a bit overwhelming, but maybe you should focus on what you have in common.
Sorry, A. I can't find anything right now. I'm too busy worrying.
What about your passion for Formula One races?
Oh, you were right. What about it? Mr. Wolff knows everything. He is the most successful team principal in Formula One of all time.
So he can put himself in the shoes of his pilot colleagues, right?
I'm sure about that. He also has his own racing experience.
And how do you think he would manage this stressful situation as a pilot?
I think he wouldn't let his emotion take over, but he has years of training.
You have it too. You are a skilled motoring journalist. This is the result of your own training.
When you say it like that…
And remember, there's a reason his team is that good. Mr. Wolff is excellent with people. I am sure there is no need to stress that much. Just watch a video with him talking about his passion and drive, and you'll be good to go.
I already feel better, and I can't wait to meet him.
Great. Make sure you smile when you see Mr. Wolff. Oh, and don't forget to breathe.